Luxurious, sophisticated and classy are just some of the words to describe today's property. Now this property offers everything and then it offers a little bit more. I'm proud to present to you 30 Wigmore Road. This property is situated in the ever popular Wigmore location with good access to the M2/M20 motorways and the Hempstead Valley Shopping Centre. Closer by, for your convenience, there are a number of shops and pubs with a restaurant. There are also a number of primary and secondary schools within good access of this amazing family home. This detached chalet bungalow offers a kitchen, diner, utility room, lounge, study, gym, games room, 5 double bedrooms and an ensuite, as well as 2 family bathrooms and a separate cloakroom. The elegant ambience that this property offers is apparent as soon as you step into the hallway. It's warm and welcoming. So the lounge, originally 2 rooms and now 1, is a great space to relax and unwind. It's particularly calming at sunrise and sunset, watching the sun glistening through the trees in the distance. The kitchen is beautifully presented and graciously flows onto the dining area. Just imagine the dinner parties you could enjoy here. There's Panasonic air conditioning in the kitchen, the gym and the games room, with the master bedroom and the 2 upstairs bedrooms with vented duct units. All 5 of the bedrooms are doubles and they all offer fitted wardrobes. The master bedroom also has its own ensuite bathroom. There is ample storage throughout this property that has been handcrafted professionally. There are made-to-measure curtains and blinds that have been professionally fitted throughout the property. The main bathroom has a giant bath, perfect for the most relaxing at-home moments. Here we have the games room with adjoining gym. What a great space to enjoy with your family. And if you didn't need this, then why not consider making it an annex? Obviously subject to planning permission. To the first floor, we have this gorgeous landing and 2 double bedrooms and a second bathroom. The class that this property offers just continues into the garden with this beautiful patio area. You have your own pond and a stunning lawned area to enjoy. Did I mention the driveway for 6 cars and the fact that this property is located down a private driveway tucked away from the main road? I think you'll all agree this property offers love, life and lavish style. Now if you want to be the envy of all your friends, give me a call today on the number below and I'll arrange your viewing.